Hello everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Alana and if you don't know me, now you do. So today I'm gonna be doing a makeup tutorial on how I got this look right here. So if you guys wanna see how I got this cute little natural makeup look, keep on watching. My makeup, I decided since I'm in Vegas, I might as well film a little get ready with me, or like, I don't know, like a makeup tutorial. So that's what I'm about to do right now. So pretty much I just started and I washed my face, I put on some toner, and then I moisturized my face with my moisturizer. I just put on this e.l.f. Hydrating primer. And now it's time to get into it. So I'm gonna start off. So I'm starting with my eyebrows. I use the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade. Mine is all dry and crusty and running out. So I'm just gonna like swivel it around in there. And then I like to like brush it off at the ends like that. And brush my eyebrow hairs. So you see that big raggedy thing I just drawn? I brush it out. Right here, those front hairs. I'm not gonna brush it out. Then I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna fill it in. But do you see how big and crazy it looks? I'm gonna fix that. So that's pretty much the brow. I'm gonna do the other one off camera because that's a lot. That's doing too much. I'm gonna take some of my Shape Tape by Tarte. I use this shade Medium. I use two shades. I use the shade Medium and Medium Honey. It just depends. Right now I'm using the Medium Honey. I'm gonna take my e.l.f. brush and I'm just gonna use it to shape my brows. And then I just kind of blend it out with the brush like that and take my finger and I blend, 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 blend. And then, boom, my eyebrow's done. That's one eyebrow. Cute, cute. Okay, I'm gonna do the other eyebrow and I'm gonna continue with the tutorial. So I'm back, both eyebrows on my face. I know you see them, this lighting, horrible. So I think it looks good from a distance, like the lighting, but when I'm up close trying to show y'all what I'm doing, not a pop. So usually I take the leftover foundation on my hand for my eyebrows and I dab it on my finger and I put it on my eyelid like so. Y'all, I'm sorry, I'm gonna have to back up and try to show y'all because I got the camera sitting down so low, so I'm like hunching over. Usually I just be up in the mirror like that. I'm gonna take this fluffy brush. Ooh, look at me, beautiful. And I'm gonna use my Juvia's Place palette because support Black owned businesses. Period. I'm gonna use my Juvia's Place. This is the Warriors, and I'm going to be using this shade. I'm gonna use this shade. I'm gonna use this shade, and I think I'm gonna use this one for a transitional, or maybe this one. I don't know, but just know I'm using this palette. Like everything is gonna be from this palette. So I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna dip it in Mino. This dark brown shade. Tap my brush off, and then I'm gonna take it and start going into that crease. And then I'm gonna go in with these two, this one and that one, and I'm gonna mix them together. So what I do is I'll apply this like up to the center of my eyelid here, and I leave all that rest of that space. And I just kind of apply that brown and blend it into my crease and my eyelid and whatnot. Somebody commented on my nail video. They told me that they loved my eyeshadow. They wanted to know what eyeshadow I was using. I just bought this Juvia's Place palette and I like it a lot, but it's very similar Because I used, this is like my shade that I use for the center of my eye. This is my James Charles palette. This is the wrong palette. But anyways, I have a Morphe 35G and I use that a lot. So if you guys want some nice brown tones, get a Morphe 35G palette because those go crazy. They're so pretty. The colors are so pretty. But I really like this Juvia's Place. And like I said, I like to support Black-owned companies and businesses, and you know. So I'm just gonna take some not foundation, concealer. Take this, and I'm gonna like cut out kind of like a cut crease in a way in my eye. But like this is the only way that you'll see my eyeshadow. So I'm just gonna look up and do that. And then I like to take this like flat brush, and I like to take the shimmer shade that I love very much and put it right on where I just put that concealer at. I like to keep my eyes open so I can see where it will land. So, do you see the difference? Like this one has the shimmer right there, this one doesn't. I'm gonna take my concealer, the medium, 35N, and I'm gonna go up under my eyes a little bit. I'm trying to like get the product off so I can manipulate it and move it around. So yeah. I just do these in all the blemishes. I have so many pimples on my chin. I'm taking my clean, beautiful, clean, not clean for long. Real Techniques, this is my favorite beauty blender, sponge, whatever, ever. Better than any other sponge. And I just blend out this concealer. And then the forehead, this big old forehead. I look crazy. So then you take your foundation. I'm gonna take this stick foundation by Juvia's Place. So I'm just gonna kind of, and then let me blend it out and just see if it works. Cause if it works, I might just wear the Juvia's Place. Okay, I'm back. I just ran from the hall. But I'm about to take these baby wipes. I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna take the foundation off my lips cause I look crazy. I feel like this foundation is too light. Like, I look at it in this lighting and it looks fine, but then I go back like this and I look white. Okay, y'all, so I'm kind of looking at myself just a little bit. And I'm gonna put some of my Stila foundation because like I really just did all of this, and now that I like look at myself, I kind of look pale. And it looked good, and then I like moved around and now it don't look so good. So I'm gonna use my Stila. I'm gonna mix the colors tan 1 and medium 5. I'm gonna squirt like 1 pump, literally, nothing crazy.
That pool's open.
My mans said the pool is open. Do I look white?
It's a little light. Like just enough.
That concealer I was using was the lighter version. And I guess I've gotten a little tanner on this trip. So it was just too light concealer. And I put too much on. Like I said I was gonna do. What, boyfriend?
I'm just looking at you in the camera.
Okay. Come show yourself, say hi. Oh yeah, ugly. Come here for real.
Is that out?
My man said hi, y'all. No, but so yeah, I'm just gonna take this foundation off my lips so I don't look like a crackhead. And
Smoking that motherfucker like a rock.
put my ring on. I fucking took it off. So I'm gonna set my face with this Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. All right, cool. I love the way that sprays out. I'm gonna use the KVD mascara. This is my first time. Well, this is my first time having anything KVD. But we just got this brand at our store, and I guess she was removed from the face of the brand. I'm just using all kind of controversial makeup. I should call this like using controversial makeup. Get ready with me. I'm gonna pull up my titties. They're everywhere. Okay. I'm gonna put my mascara on, and then I'm gonna put my highlight on, and then I'm gonna be done. The eyelashes really throw the look together though, don't play. I mean, I don't have eyelashes on, but my eyelashes really. I'm gonna take my highlighters. I have a bag of highlighters, and this is my setting powder. I'm not gonna use setting powder today because I don't feel like it. But I'm gonna use my Juvia's Place. I have the Royalty 1 and the Royalty 2 by Juvia's. I'm gonna take the Royalty 2. I'm gonna take my Morphe M310, and I'm gonna dip it in this highlight here. Yes, ma'am. And I'm gonna highlight my face. I like to do the tip of my nose and go down the center just a little tiny bit. I like to do my cupid's bow and the top of my chin. I'm also gonna put some highlighter on my body, like shoulders. Okay, so I'm gonna use my lip balm from ColourPop. This is my favorite lip balm I've ever had in my life. It's the best lip balm you'll ever get. It is like a ColourPop lip balm from a holiday. It's the ILY, like Valentine's Day collection they had recently. And oh my God, it works so good. Like, I don't know how to explain it. It keeps my lips so moisturized. I'm gonna take this NYX retractable lip liner in the shade Cocoa, and I'm gonna line my lips with it. I'm gonna just fill in my lips a little bit with it. Then I'm gonna take my lip gloss. I like to use the Broadway Ultra Lip lip gloss. I have them in every flavor. This one is the mango one, and it smells really good, like so good. Makeup is done, so I'm gonna finish doing my hair and show you guys the finished look. Alright y'all, so this is the finished look. She's cute, but I'm done. I have somewhere to be. I'll probably show y'all what it looked like outside in better lighting, but that was it for today's video. Thank y'all so much for watching. If you like this video, click the thumbs up and subscribe to me and hit that bell notification so you can get notified when I post. Make sure you follow me on all my social media, and have a great rest of your day. Rest of your day. Your day.